The plant that you see here belongs to the species Senna occidentalis. The synonym is Cassia occidentalis. The common names of the plant are Mogdal coffee, Senna coffee, Coffee Senna, Stephanie coffee, coffee weed, stinking weed, etc. Yes, as you see, you can see the seed pods of the plant. I'm going to collect a few seed pods of the plant which are mature. The brown ones are the mature ones, and bring home, take the seeds out and plant this beautiful yellow flowered plant that gives the flowers throughout the year without any break. It needs the least of care. There is no fear of any fungal attack or bacterial attack or pest attack. See, this pot has been already kept ready with potting mix, and I have taken out the seeds here. You can see them from just 3 pots, and I'll be spreading them over here, as you can see, and mix it up with the soil and make sure that most of the seeds are a little bit under the surface, just 1 or 2 millimeters below the surface. And here is the last step of the sowing operation, that is putting a little bit of water and seeing that it doesn't waterlog. The water should go down, otherwise the seeds and the small seedlings may suffer. Let's see if the water goes down. The soil should be porous enough so that so you can see it is already going down, so it's okay, quite okay. I'll be putting the last part of this sowing operation after you see this plant which has got beautiful yellow flowers, and it will be after a few days. Maybe it may take 3 or 4 days. And here it is after 3 days. Just see the cotyledons. Many of them have sprung out. The first leaves is a dicotyledon plant, and some are just in the process of coming out of the soil. In a day or two, all of them will be coming out of the soil. After that, when the plant gets 3 or 4 leaves, I can replant them or transplant them to wherever I like. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and bye.